and test out the new Rode video mic. Check it out. Wind's blowing hard out there. Oh, this is without the Rode video mic. I don't know if you'll be able to hear me at all, but now I'll do test with the Rode video mic. Alright, well, we've got 45-mile-an-hour winds out here today, and I just wanted to, number one, test out my new Rode Mic Pro, but also show the truck camper, or the camper shell rack, and how it just doesn't even budge in the wind. Really gusty last night. I think we had over 50-mile-per-hour gusts, and it hasn't moved. All of our weed barriers blown up, all of our mulch is blown away. Basketball hoop blew over. That thing's full of sand. Alright, so now is also a good time to test this pass-through window seal that I put on the other day. We've got about 50 mile an hour gusts, about 35-40 miles per hour sustained winds out here. So I'd be able to feel any airflow if there were gaps in here. And I feel no wind, no cool air blowing in. So that's good. I think it made a really good seal. And with that Thompson's water seal spray, it seems to be pretty waterproof. I've only driven once in the rain with this on, and no water got in. The seal did get wet on the outside, but no water got in into the area between the pass-through, between the truck cab and the camper. So I think it's going to be great, and dogs are going to love it. So. It's okay, buddy.